everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. I am super excited because I have a huge box or a huge pile of boxes to open today or within the next few days. I'm going to try and knock out a lot today, but we'll see. One of the first few I wanted to open was my June Tribe Beauty Box. So this is a bi-monthly box and I absolutely love it and have been dying to get it. So when it came, I knew this would be one of the first I opened. And I'm really excited because I now have a promo code for Tribe Beauty Box. I never really hear much about them, but I think they finally are giving them out. So if you're interested in what you see after watching this unboxing, you can get $5 off. So I will leave the link and all of the pricing information along with my promo code down below. So like I said, this is a bi-monthly box, so that means it comes every other month. And it is generally super awesome. I actually got a limited edition box from them last month, so I haven't felt too deprived. Anyways, let's get unboxing and see what we got in our June box. I have been avoiding spoilers. I've been getting really good at that. I used to just somehow stumble upon Instagram or email spoilers, but maybe it's just the fact that I'm not scrolling through Instagram as much now or reading my emails. I don't know, but I've been good about avoiding spoilers, so I do not know what's in here, which is extra exciting to me. When I open up the box, this is what I see, and of course I just dropped a piece of paper that has all the information on it. Let me grab it. Before I get unboxing, I guess I should let you know what exactly comes in here. It's obviously a beauty box, and you receive 5 full or deluxe size beauty products, and they could be from trendy brands or more independent brands, which is super awesome. And I believe everything that comes in this box is cruelty-free, which I really appreciate. And they always have a card that comes with it, the one I just dropped, that has information on all the items along with the pricing. So I pay $34.99 a month, and let's see, is it worth it? I will add up the total at the end. And it looks like the theme is vanity and glam. And I see something right away on top that is by a brand I really enjoy, Wander Beauty, and this is their Dive-In Moisturizer. Oh, I've never used a moisturizer by them. I have a lot of face masks, and then I have makeup. So I'm definitely intrigued to try more of their skincare line. This is what their packaging looks like. Let's take it out. Oh, cute. So it looks like some of their face masks. I think one of the face masks I have by them is this color. So it says it's 72-hour hydration, minimum effort, maximum results. And it says just apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin, and you can use this both morning and night. This is pretty big. This is 50 mLs or 1.69 ounces. So let's read about it. So this is $36. That's expensive. It says this lightweight and non-greasy gel cream texture absorbs quickly and works well with makeup for a beautiful complexion. It is enriched with pentavitin, which binds water to skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. Awesome. I definitely love a good moisturizing moisturizer, one that is really good at locking in hydration during the summer, when we get a little bit of sun. This will be very useful, and I like that it's a gel type consistency. Let's see what it looks like. There is a safety seal on it. Oh, it's actually pink. Can you guys see that? But then when you rub it in, that color dissipates. And it doesn't really seem to have much of a scent. It kind of just smells like good skincare. You know how there's a scent to that, but it's not strong at all. So definitely happy to have this. Ooh, next up is something I had a long time ago, or at least something like it, and I really enjoyed it. I think I got it in a single swag over a year ago. This is by Dr. Botanicals. This is the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, and this is a limited edition version. And I love face oils. I think I talk about them pretty often here. Most of you know I love my Sunday Riley oil, but I remember really liking this oil. This is vegan friendly. Let's see what else it says about it. So it's infused with vitamins, essential oils, and botanical extracts for brighter, more even skin tone. This bottle is really cool. So I think I did have this, but I think it's the bottle that's limited edition. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's this beautiful botanical / floral print on there. And you only need like 2 or 3 drops, so this will last a long time. This is big. How big is this? 15 mLs. So yeah, I'm definitely happy to have this. This is $26. It says the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil from Dr. Botanicals is brimming with minerals and vitamins, working to repair and protect skin and leave it healthier looking. Lightweight and non-greasy, the potent serum has a delicate fragrance and effortlessly melts in. Let's see. It's very gentle fragrance. Is that what it said? They said delicate fragrance. Yeah, it's very light but smells good, so perfect. Next up, we have something by LA Splash. This is their Simply Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. Ooh, look at this packaging. And this is in 808 Definity. Oh wow, look at this packaging. There's like a little star on the top, it looks like. This is really like bougie looking. And it looks like a pretty color. So there is the applicator, and let's do a little swatch. Ooh, I like this. I'm loving getting all these glosses in boxes lately because I have really been enjoying glosses. I feel like for a while I was more into like liquid lips, and now I'm loving like just some lip liner and a gloss, or maybe just a gloss. So cool. Does this have a scent? It kind of smells like something sweet, like a bakery type scent. Maybe like vanilla. I like it. Smells yummy. So this is $18. It says, soar into the heavens with your new Simply Angelic Lip Gloss. They offer overworldly protection while still giving you that glossy, glamorous look. Awesome. I'm like super excited to try this on my lips. Do I have anything on my lips now? Let me grab a mirror. I do have like a little like pink, oh, I have like the cat suit, like the Wet n Wild cat suit lippy on. I'm just gonna put this over it, why not? Oh wow. I like this. I really like this gloss. Like, it's not sticky or anything at all, which is super important to me, and most importantly, it looks good. I really like it. What do you guys think? Can you even tell? Let me know. Ooh, looks like we got some brushes. You guys know I'm always happy to get more brushes. This is a set of 4, and these look like they're crown brushes. Let's get these out of the bag and look at them. How do I open these? So here are the 4. I'll go one by one. So let's see, does it have stuff on there? Yep, so this is the first one's the BK33 Oval Smudger. I'm so glad to be getting more brushes lately because I desperately need to clean them. In my bathroom right near my beauty room, I have like so many dirty brushes in there. I'm like, oh, I'll just like see them in there and then clean them. No. And then we have the BK22 Brow / Lash Groomer. There is that one. We have the BK17 Round Angle Blender. Ooh, this one's cool. This is like a thicker brush handle too. Does it say anything about this? So I think this is considered the concealer brush. You can like kind of put in your eye area. It says you can use this in small, hard to reach areas of the face. Maybe not. I can't tell what it... Because on here it says this is the Crown Brush Rose Gold Eye Set. And I don't think this is... I don't know. I mean, they don't look rose gold. So I'm not sure if what I'm reading is the same description as the brushes I actually have, which is fine. I think this is unique. That's why I was looking at the paper, because I'm like, I want to know more about how to use it. But I think it could be blending in the crease. But anyways, the last one is the BK39 Chisel Fluff. And I think this one would be good for concealer or just for packing on the eye. You can really use brushes any way you want to. So this set of 4, I'm still confused that it says it's the Rose Gold Eye Set. Maybe it's just in that collection, but nothing about it's rose gold, but that's okay because I love brushes, and these are actually pretty unique, and it is $19. And it looks like we have one more thing in here, and this is a palette. And this is the City Limits palette by IBY Beauty, and I feel like I've heard a lot about this palette, but I do not actually have it yet. Let's open this up. Like, I feel like I just saw someone talking about this palette. Was it Tracy? Like She Crafty maybe? Ooh, this is pretty. So there is a little safety thing, and there is a mirror, and on the mirror it says "You are more than beautiful," which is super sweet. And these colors are super pretty. I knew I've heard good things about this palette before. Awesome. Let's read about it. Oh, and they kind of have like summer names. Like one of them is called Glamping. Have you guys ever gone glamping? I'm curious about glamping. I think I'd do that. I don't know. Camping, maybe? I don't know. I'm kind of a city girl, even though I don't live in the city anymore, but I'm not like the camping type, but glamping seems more my style. So this is IBY City Limits palette. It is $20. It says, this eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rose hip seed oil for skin protecting properties. Cool. I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them on my hand. This is a pretty big palette, so I don't think I can swatch all of them with my fingers quickly. You guys have to let me know, do you like swatches in videos? Because if you do, I'll dedicate more time to swatching, for sure. So let's see what Nightfall, oh my god, they feel so nice and buttery. Look at that, this is a Nightfall. Wow, that'll be good, like shimmer topper over some shadows. Let's look at Dance Party. This looks like kind of like a green, like olive type color. Like unique. These swatch well and they feel really nice. Let's see what Backstage, this is like a blue color. Ooh, wow. Yeah, these seem like they swatch well, they feel nice. Like, look, there's still so much pigment on my fingers. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. Let me wipe off my hands quick. So that is everything in the box. I'm gonna grab my phone and let's see what the total is. Wow, the total is $119. This is great value, I think, and I will use everything in this box, so I'm super excited. I am like really pumped that we got two good skincare items because I love skincare. I love getting brushes, even though it doesn't seem to match the description on the card exact. I'm okay with that. I'm sure that they sometimes do have some variations. The palette I've heard good things about, and it seems like it swatched really well, so I'm excited to put that on my face. I already tried the lip gloss. It's not sticky, and I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I am really happy with this. What do you guys think? Definitely leave your thoughts down below. And if you've been eyeing the subscription, you really like it, definitely use my promo code. I'll of course link that below like I said. And this does deliver other places outside of the United States. It's actually based out of Canada. So yeah, definitely check it out if you are interested. And thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!